one is future. 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 Third one is gather. Third one is gather. Okay. Now we are going to repeat. Can you say first? What is the first one? Prepare. Wonderful. Can you say the second one? Future. Future. Good job. And last one is, who would like to say, oh, you. What is the third one? Gather. Gather. Thank you. Okay. Most intelligent boy, you are wonderful student, you are so brilliant. Okay, see you later in the next class. Bye bye.